tutorial, we will know about Rapid Sketch tool. So to use those tool, let us open up a drawing file. Open and select this file, that is Rapid Sketch, in your project file server and click open. Okay, let me select this background, plain white. Now on this object I want to create some sketches, and we see there is a flat plane and there is some inclined plane. So one way of doing those type of sketches is by going to sketch mode and then select sketch. Now we have to select a plane or a face. Suppose I want to create something or sketch something on this. When I take the cursor on this plane, it is showing an imaginary plane. So I can click on this and now I am in sketch mode with respect to this plane of face. We can directly rotate this to a 2D view, or we can continue working on this 3D view. Suppose I take this rectangle, corner rectangle, from the center point to the center point. We have created a sketch and click OK. And from here we can exit sketch. After that, what if we want to create some sketch on this inclined plane or inclined section? So we have to do the similar things. Go to sketch and then we have to select a plane or reference. So that is the plane, inclined plane. Click on this and then we can draw the sketch. Suppose I want to draw a circle, so we can draw this. Click OK and exit sketch. In case of complex models, so this is a very time consuming process. So in SolidWorks there is a tool called Rapid Sketch which help in ease this type of works. So currently let me undo this first, undo these sketches, and we can find this Rapid Sketch command here. Currently it is not selected, so we have to select it first, and now it is selected. We can see the box here. So if I want to create some sketch on this plane, we will have to just take circle and go to this plane, and it will automatically show the reference plane. Suppose I want to work on this plane, so just select this plane and draw the circle and OK. This is so easy. Similarly, we can work on more different planes in the same sketch mode. So this time I want to draw a rectangle on this face. So directly we just have to select the plane here and then draw the rectangle whichever we want on this and click OK. And we can also sketch on some other faces which have, suppose I want this circle on this plane or this sketch. So select this plane and sketch and click OK. So this is about the Rapid Sketch. So I can select exit sketch. Another tool in this type of sketching is we have this Instant 3D. We can find this tool here. Currently it is selected or it is highlighting in box. It means we have turned it on. If I clicking on this box, it is now turned off. So what is the advantage of this Instant 3D? I turn it on and take the cursor on this, and it is highlighting that enable dragging of handles, dimensions and sketches to dynamically modify features. So how do we use this? Suppose I go to this extrude 1 and I select this. When I select this extrude, it is highlighting this extrude in this blue color and it is showing these dimensions. This is one dimension, that is second dimension. These dimensions we had defined when we created this sketch or this extrude 1. Now we can directly edit it from here. These are the possible 2 dimensions. So if I double click on this dimension, suppose I make this 150 and press enter, and it will now stretch to 150. Similarly we can make some change in other dimensions. And another way of changing this dimension is by dragging. If I pick this ball, small ball here, and I drag this in left direction, we can see, okay, let me zoom out to this, And if I pick this ball and drag this, we see that our object is now stretched. We can give it some value. Similarly, we can stretch it on another dimension. Suppose I want to stretch it on right side, this way, and click OK. In similar way, we can stretch another extrude. This is second extrude we have. Select this and pick and drag the dimension and click OK. So this is instant 3D. If we don't want this tool to be turned on, we can directly click on this. It is now turned off.